Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. It does look like SHIBA INU actually broke that pennant. And unfortunately, because of that broken pennant, it doesn't want to break that 30 mark. It actually ran down all the way to wicks of 25, 26. Unfortunately, usually when this happens, you tend to see a slow trickle down back to these levels. I think for the most part, if you are looking at selling, more than likely you could sell right now and then just kind of pick it up, more than likely back at 25, 26, possibly even lower. The 4 hour is bearish, the daily is bearish, and the weekly right now, I mean, there's not enough data to see the weekly, but the daily is consistently, it's been bearish. We broke that pennant, so I gotta say I'm a little bit more towards the bear side. You actually just you're more than likely in 47 minutes we are going to be closing a bear candle for the 4 hours. So I do think, unfortunately, we're going to be headed down to 25, 26 or so. And I think I think for the most part right now, I'm a little bit bearish on SHIBA INU. And I think, unless there's a huge buy, I don't think it's going to break that 30 microcent mark. Yeah, it kind of sucks to see it. It kind of sucks to see this break right now of the pennant and then us going down. But yeah, usually when this happens, when it wicks down like that, you tend to slowly trickle down in price. And, we tend to come back here at 25, 26. So I think as of right now, my bias is to the downside. And I do think that we're probably gonna see a further push down on SHIBA INU, I think. So I'll see you guys later. Unfortunately, this kind of sucks, but it's just kind of how it is. I would not be surprised if more people start selling after this broken tenant and after we haven't been beating out that 30-cent mark. But I'll see you guys later. Hopefully it recovers. If not, if we do break that 25 mark, the next stop is going to be like 20-ish. And I think if we do hit 20, depending on how the TA looks, I will more than likely buy some more. But until then, who knows? So I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.